is Jim Ludwig. I reside at 7500 Southwest Lebo Road in McMinnville. I'm a member of the Oregonians for Immigration Reform Board. And because of my position with our organization, I've had many, many legal immigrants want to share with me their stories of why they're here, how they got here. I've never met a legal immigrant in my life who said they chose to come to the United States by putting on a blindfold, putting a map of the world on the wall and throwing a dart, and they happen to hit America. They chose America because we're the most successful country in the world. One of the reasons for our success is this concept of the rule of law, which people up here don't seem to understand. The rule of law means that everybody obeys our laws. You don't have the ability to pick and choose which laws you like and obey those you like and disobey the ones you don't. This bill does that, and it's outrageous. Every nation has the sovereign right to set its own immigration policies. Every American citizen has the constitutional right to advocate for policies that they think are in the best interest. House Bill 3464 is a violation of all those concepts. Why, if the first thing a person does when they're in the United States is break the law and they're rewarded for it, why would you think they would want to obey any laws? And if they're put above citizens, what does that say? In the summary of House Bill 3464, it reads, quote, prohibits public body from disclosing specified information concerning a person unless required by state or federal law, close quote. Well, what happens if a state employee or a county employee or a city employee recognizes an illegal alien on the street and they knows they've been deported? So they call up ICE as a state employee. What happens? Are they fined? Are they fired? Are they hit with a stick? What happens if somebody violates this law because they want to do due diligence with what's important for the United States? I want to read quickly, just briefly, the Federal Immigration and Nationality Act, Section 8 U.S.C. 1324. And it says, any person, quote, any person who encourages or induces an alien to reside knowingly in reckless regard to the fact that such residence is in violation of law shall be punished as provided for each alien in respect for whom such violation occurs under Title 18. And among those are knowingly assisting a legal alien due to personal convictions. And that's all I've heard up here, personal convictions. They don't think that our immigration law is important. House Bill 3634 should not advance. It's a violation of federal immigration law. It encourages drug traffickers to come into Oregon. House Bill 3464 is a slap in the face to the millions of people who've immigrated here legally. It punishes American citizens who have a greater loyalty to the United States than they do to Salem or Portland. This is outrageous, and you ought to be ashamed of it.
Very much.